Hi, I'm Salmon. Cook me right and I'm buttery. Cook me wrong and I'm dry sadness. Let's not do that today.
First rule, pat me dry. If I'm wet, I steam. If I steam, I don't crisp. Dry skin equals good vibes.
Salt me, then wait a minute. Let it melt in. That little pause? That's how you get better texture. Get the pan hot first. Oil shimmering, not smoking. If you drop me in too early, I'll stick and cry. Now leave me alone. No poking, no flipping every second. If you treat me like a fidget toy, you deserve dry salmon.
See that lighter line climbing up the side? That's your timer. When it's about 2/3 up, you're close.
One flip, then gentle heat. A little butter if you want. I only need a short finish. Don't cook the life out of me.
People overcook me to be safe. Relax. Cook to flaky and juicy. If I'm chalky, you went too far. Eat what you like.